Hindi ko makita yung connection eh. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Yes, siguro, Comsec, before I yield to Chairman Paduano, I think the person involved in the Task Force Perez was Jason B. Bombasi. Am I right, Garduque? Si Bombasi ang pinaka-head nung ano?
He was the chief of the Provincial Investigation Office, but I am not sure if
he is the one who handles this case.
we will check our record also, sir.
Comsec, can you kindly ask the yung pinatatanong ni General Acop? Sige, go ahead, Chairman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, since Chairman Acop was moved to invite all those mentioned PNP personnel, I second the motion, Mr. Chairman, and that certain Gumbasin that was mentioned by Chairman Dan to invite in the next hearing. And ito lang po yung tanong ko. Before I proceed with the question with regards to the evidence, no? Kasi Colonel Gardoque, when you were asked by Chairman Dan Fernandez, ito that's on record. Sinabi mo kasi na part of the evidence are the CCTV. Tama?
If my memory is right.
No,
sir,
you mentioned it.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so ang tanong, bakit nakita mo ba kanina yung Presidente Chairman Dan Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
Oh, but yan ba yung video clips o video CCTV?
Kasama, sir, sa...
Are you sure?
Kasama, sir, sa tinignan namin yan during the incident.
And you also notice that one with ACA 4033 plate number that parked on the back of the municipal hall? Is it part of your investigation?
Yes, sir. Kasama,
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka?
Opo, sir.
O did you, in your investigation, nakafocus ba kayo doon sa van na yon?
Yes, sir. That is why in-involve namin, sir, yung sa SITG, yung anti-carnapping unit.
Oh, what's the result of that investigation with regards to that car?
I cannot remember the result of the...
How about the person that was focused during the presentation of that CCTV?
Kasama rin yan, sir, actually sa napaila natin as Jando, yung taong nakita natin.
And that video was also presented during the court hearing?
I believe, sir, kasama na nai-incorporate.
No, I believe. I ask you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka?
Hindi,
tinatanong kita, are you sure of that? Sigurado ka?
Maybe, sir, because that is
Ano
one
maybe?
of the...
I'm just asking you if that CCTV that focused that certain person was also part of your evidence.
Yes, sir.
Oh, tingnan mo yung profile nung nilabasan nyo ng warrant of arrest. Is he the same person sa profile niya?
No, sir.
Oh, ba't kayo pumayag? Ba't naging akusado yung former councilor? Na hindi pala pasok doon yung profile niya? Yung physical appearance niya hindi pareho doon sa subject person. Now, a while ago, sinasabi mo nga, that person was also the subject of your investigation as Jando.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Why?
That's the other suspect that we are trying to identify, sir.
That's the other suspect that you want to identify.
Yes, sir.
Pero wala naman kayong mapakita sa CCTV na nandun si Konsyal. Oh, Colonel. Actually, who filed the case? Is it the family of Mayor Perez or the PNP?
The family of Mayor Perez, sir.
So the family of Mayor Perez believe that Mayor Perez was killed by the councilor. Ganon po ba?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Because we have to invite the family.
Yes, sir.
I beg to disagree, Mr. Chair. Kasi nagte-text po sa akin yung anak ni former Mayor Perez. Hindi po sila naniniwala doon sa IR ninyo.
Oh, Colonel Roque, you're lying. A while ago, you admitted, you said that the family believes in your case, that indeed the councilor is the one who killed the mayor. Oh, Colonel Garduque, you're lying.
He was with us when we filed the case, sir. The son of Honorable Mayor Perez.
Eh, wala akong pakialam kung nandun siya. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, naniwala ba sila na hindi the councilor is the one who killed Mayor Perez? And you said, yes. Categorically. Hindi ko na tinatong hindi na nga ako nagtanong second. Anyway, pupunta rin tayo doon later. Now, Mr. Chair, let me ask Gigi Lasso. As in the statement of Chairman Akop, he mentioned that a narco-list official in the list was assassinated by a civilian. Konsyal pa. Do you confirm, Gigi Lasso, that the name of Mayor Perez was in the narco list?
Your Honor, as soon as I heard about the name, I asked my office to check on it. But please give me some more time, Your Honor, and before the end of this hearing, I will have an answer to your question, Your Honor.
Thank you. Pakikuha na rin po yung baka na naman after the assassination, saka naman nilagay yung pangalan. Kasi di ba may 3 list yan.
It's
Kindly
part
check
of
na lang
the-
din po. Pati yung
Yes,
date
Your Honor.
kung
Yes, Your
kailan ipinasok yung pangalan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Gigi Lasso. Colonel Gardoque, anong class ka sa PNP
I belong to PNP 2001, Your Honor, sir.
2001?
Yes, sir.
Si Andulan is 2006. Tapos si Albutrice 2006. Si Santos also sa 2006. Colonel Andulan, you mentioned that you were assigned doon sa provincial Batangas Provincial Police Office during the time
Yes, Your Honor.
as
As the Batangas head, sir, CIDG pa. Chief.
so you're under the CIDG.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino yung regional director that time?
That time, sir, it was Police Colonel Lito Patay, sir.
Colonel Patay?
Yes, sir.
Colonel Patay. Is he the Colonel Patay class 1997?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Patay, kindly have a seat. So, Colonel Patay, do you confirm that you are the head of the regional office of CIDG during the time when Mayor Perez was killed?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, that was your assignment after where? Previous to that, where is your assignment? Here, Quezon City?
No, Mr. Chair, from NCRPO, Mr. Chair.
NCRPO. Anong assignment sa NCRPO?
Regional Logistics Research and Development Division.
So,
Mr. Chair.
from Quezon City, which is Station 6, you were assigned NCRPO then?
Not
That,
yet,
that was when?
Mr. Chair.
No, prior to your assignment as the chief of CIDG in Region 4.
I was assigned as R4 of NCRPO, Mr. Chair.
When was the last year or month you were assigned, and year you were assigned in QC?
QC, Mr. Chair, as I've said, that was 2017 of September, I think, Mr. Chair.
You were relieved September 17 of what year?
2017, Mr. Chair.
2017. So from 2017, ano po yung mga assignment mo? Di ba parang binalik ka pa sa Mindanao?
No, Mr. Chair.
Wala
I was
na.
assigned at CIDG 3, Mr. Chair.
CIDG Region 3.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
When was that?
After QCPD, Mr. Chair.
When was that?
From 2017 to I cannot memorize the exact number month, Mr. Chair, and date.
So-
It's all stated in my PDS, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway. Papacheck ko lang po. Mayroon akong PDS nyo. Wala lang dito ngayon. But anyways, during that time, gaano ka nakatagal doon sa Batangas na kay Major Perez?
Not Batangas, Mr. Chair. Region 4A,
Hindi.
Mr. Chair.
Yung pangyayari sa Batangas, gaano ka nakatagal as Region 4A Chief ng CIDG?
I think I was assigned there February on that year, 2019, Mr. Chair.
February 2019?
I'm not sure, Mr. Chair.
February. Baka 2020 because the killing happens December 3, 2020.
Yes, Mr. During the pandemic time, Mr. Chair,
Oh, okay.
COVID-19.
Now, are you aware of such
Yes,
incident?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So you're part also of the SITG?
No, Mr. Chair.
You're not part.
Only the provincial offices, because the SITG usually emanates from the province.
So it's
Then
only the provincial.
all the members will be the officers from within the province, Mr. Chair.
No, but in this case, sinabi kanina ni Colonel Verdoque na it was Brigadier General Dimas who heads that SITG.
When it was elevated on the regional level, Mr. Chair, but I was not able to attend.
But are you aware, Colonel Patay, that Andulan, as the provincial head of the CITG, siya po ang nag-implement nung in serving the warrant of arrest?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because it is part of our mandate as manhunt.
No, wag mo akong pagsabihan ng trabaho, yung mandate nyo. Ang sinasabi ko po, are you aware that Andulan has the possession of warrant of arrest for the killing of Mayor Perez?
Mr. Chair, I could not recall because after Region 3, Region 4A, I was relieved, and I cannot remember when the warrant was issued by the court.
What you're saying is that during the December 3, 2020 incident, signed doon?
Mr. Because the warrant will not be issued immediately, and maybe we can refer.
No, ang tanong ko ngayon, ano ba talaga? Alam mo ba talaga na may warrant na lumabas o wala during your stint as Regional Director of CIDG?
Hindi ko ma-remember, Mr. Chair.
When was your relief as CIDG Regional Director o Chief?
I'm not sure, Mr. Chair. Maybe in 2021. I'm not sure of the date, Mr. Chair. First quarter.
Anyway, babalikan kita, Colonel Patay,
Yes, Mr.
yung
Chair.
PDS mo,
Yes, Mr.
ipapacheck ko yan.
First quarter maybe of
Ito na
2021.
naman, Major Perez was assassinated. Doon ka na naman assign. What a coincidence. Now, Colonel Andulan, how did you come across with that warrant of arrest? Bakit hindi yung sa Calamba? Bakit kayo?
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair. Because with the informant, it so happened na pumunta po siya ng Batangas, sir. From Los Baños, he went to his friend there, sir. And then he confessed, sir, na
He confessed na what?
na may warrant po nga si Mr.
And who
Lorde.
is that informant of yours?
Yes, sir. Gaya po ng sinabi ko po, sir. I will give you the name, sir, if you allow me to have an executive, sir. For security purpose din po nung informant, sir.
You will submit it in private sa committee.
Yes, sir. Sasabihin ko po sa...
Oh, please
yes,
write it down, then submit it to the committee.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Dalawa yan ang informant mo?
Yes, sir. Dalawa po.
They are not the same as the witness?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi.
Is a friend of Mr.
So, nung tinanggap mo yung information from your informant, you never coordinated with the Los Baños police?
First, sir, I instructed my men to validate it first, sir. And
No,
then-
but during the time, you have already the warrant?
Actually, sir, as based doon sa warrant niya is lumabas ng October 22, sir. So, na-implement
October
namin, sir.
22 of 2021?
Yes, sir. Bali na arrest namin po siya.
And then, tinatanong ko po, pagpunta ng informant mo, nasa iyo na yung warrant of arrest?
Not yet, sir. Yun nga po, sir. I instructed him to validate it first, sir.
And then, tinatanong ko lang kung nasa iyo ba? Wala.
During that time, sir,
Wala pa.
Wala pa po, sir.
Oh, kailan mo nakuha yung warrant? Saan mo kinuha yung warrant?
Through e-warrant, sir. Na-upload po ng court ng Los Baños through e-warrant, sir. Opo.
Doon na sa warrant.
E-warrant, sir. Opo.
Did you coordinate with your superior, the provincial police director at the time, which is Colonel Italio? Alam niya ba? Alam ni PD, hindi.
I think no, sir. Hindi po.
Hindi.
Yes,
Hindi
sir.
ka nakapag-coordinate.
During that time, sir, I think he was already relieved that time, sir.
O, sabihin natin, ma-check ko rin yung PDS ni Colonel Pitalio, but doon sa bagong PD, kung na-relieve niya siya during the time, have you coordinated?
Doon po nga po sa COP, sir, ng Los Baños, sir. Nag-coordinate po ako, sir.
Nag-coordinate ka?
Yes, sir. And then,
And that COP was Colonel Gardoque now?
hindi na po, sir.
Sino yon?
If I'm not mistaken, Lieutenant Colonel Jong Lai po, yung COP noon that time, sir.
Sino?
Jong Lai, sir. Lieutenant Colonel Jong Lai po, sir.
Lieutenant Colonel Jong Lai.
Opo, sir.
Anong class ba siya?
2003, sir.
So, 2003.
Yes, sir. Opo.
PNPA also.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Oh, Mr. Move to invite a certain Lieutenant Colonel Jong Lai the next hearing.
Comsec, please take note. Pidea is now ready to answer your question.
Singit lang ako, Praso. Oh, sige, go ahead.
Pidea, yes, Director General Lasso.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we have the answer to the questions of the good Congressman Paduano. Both Halili and Perez are named in the 3 lists of PIDEA. And since Perez was gunned down in December 3, 2020, it is not yet indicated in the 3rd list that he has been negated, Your Honor. So,
Which means,
that, of course, the list was made on August 20, 2020, so he was still not
not
negated.
listed.
Yes.
So he,
No, he was still listed but not yet negated. Unlike for Halili, who was negated in 2018, it appears in the August 2020 list that he was already negated.
does that satisfy Congressman Paduano? Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ako may tanong lang ako kay Mr. Tamesin. Ikaw ba ay merong nakarehistrong barel sa pangalan mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong mga klaseng barel ito?
One snub nose 38, and just this year, 9mm lang po.
Wala ka bang long firearm?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ang nakarehistro sa iyo.
Kahit hindi po nakarehistro, wala po akong long firearm.
Okay. Meron ka bang history, if you're honest enough to tell this committee, meron ka bang history na na-involve ka sa isang violent incident?
Your Honor, wala pa po. At ang totoo, hindi po ako napapaaway. Sabi ko nga po, I follow the rule of law. Pag hindi po magkasundo, I seek the assistance of the court. Inihahabla ko po sa ombudsman or RTC. Hanggang dun lang po ako.
Wala ka namang involvement o isang insidente na kung saan ikaw ay na-involve sa away na nagka-pisikalan, nagkatutukan ng baril o ganyan.
Your Honor, ako po ay walang frat. Wala rin po akong organization o kahit ano. I used to be the president of Letran Supreme Student Council back-to-back 97 and 98. I used to be the first-year mayor of St. Louis University. And student council din po tayo sa mga nakaraang mga panahon. Pero never po akong pumasok ng any frat or organization.
Yung bang mga firearms na nasa iyo, how often do you use them?
Hindi ko pa po siya nagagamit sa ibang bagay, maliban lang po kung minsan isang beses sa 2 buwan or 3 buwan, nagpa-firing lang po ako just to release stress, and yun po kasi yung aking hobby.
So ang hobby mo ay firearms.
Aside from swimming and basketball and community service, traveling, yan po, firearm po, practice po.
Okay. So in say in 2 months or 3 months, sa isang taon, nakakailang beses mo na papaputok yung baril mo?
Max 3 times po.
And you do this where?
Dito po sa Makati Cinema Square.
Sa firing range.
Yes, Your Honor.
May records ka na pumupunta ka doon.
Opo, at
Have
ako
you
po
tried-
ay member
Have you
din.
tried firing a rifle?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Not yet. Kaliwete ka ba o kanan? Ano bang
Left-handed po ako, Your Honor.
Okay, sige, salamat. Matanong ko lang si Major Albotra. Meron ka bang rubber shoes na color blue?
Yung Mr. Chair, Your Honor, yung aside lang po doon sa PNP na
No.
athletic.
Rubber shoes na color
Wala
blue.
po, Mr. Chair.
Running shoes,
Wala rin po, Mr.
pang
Chair.
basketball.
Blue color, wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ka ba mahilig sa blue? If I may ask, what is your favorite color?
Black or gray? Blue, okay lang din po, Mr. Chair.
Black or gray? Have you ever tried using a blue shoe or blue rubber shoes?
Only our PNP athletic blue shoes, Mr. Chair.
So meron ka, athletic blue shoes.
Yes, Mr. Chair, ginagamit lang po namin yun pag may PFT or mga
Is
activities.
that a shoe issued by the PNP?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So lahat kayo, pag may PFT,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
gumagamit kayo ng blue na rubber shoes.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, okay. Yan. Ganyang klase ba yung rubber shoes na sinasabi mong PFT shoes nyo?
Hindi po ganyan, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ganyan? Can we have a clear picture of that rubber shoe? Para baka iba lang yung blurred lang yung nasa litrato eh. How often do you practice firing your gun, Major Albotra?
To tell you honestly, Mr. Chair, every time lang po na may mga PDSCAP, CDSCAP na required po lahat ng mga officers, Mr. Chair.
So ikaw ay shooter talaga.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So from a scale of 1 to 10, yung 10 isang magaling na sharpshooter at saka 1 yung kumbaga beginner, nasaan ka? Kung yung level of skill mo sa firing your pistol, for instance, nasaang level ka?
Actually, Mr. Chair, siguro nasa 5, Mr. Chair. Nangihiram lang po ako, Mr. Chair, pag may shooting, may mga shooting invitation, Mr. Chair, nangihiram lang po ako ng baril, Mr. Chair.
Pero you have your own personal gun, I suppose. Siyempre, aside from the issued gun to you, di ba? Meron kang sarili.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Anong klaseng baril ito, pistol ito?
45 caliber, Mr. Chair.
45. Have you ever tried firing an M16?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You're familiar with the parts of the M16?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So pagka, halimbawa, pinakita sa iyo isang rifle, pwede mong sabihin kung M16 yan o hindi.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Anong bala ng M16? Ano ang bala ng M16?
Yung 556 at saka 223, Mr. Chair.
223 tsaka 556, tama?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Anong difference yung dalawa?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
So dun sa pina-fire mo, anong ginagamit mong bala? 556 o 223?
Hindi ko po ma-distinguish, Mr. Chair, yung difference nila, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Are you left-handed or kanan ng...
Kanan po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Hindi, dagdag ko lang yun. Nung December, kasi we'll just show the picture, no, Captain Albotra, no, para kasi hanggang ngayon hindi kami makapaniwala that you were sent sa City of Calamba for 6 days. Pero 23 days, tapos 6 days ka nandun. And for nothing, then tapos ibinalik ka agad sa ano. And true enough, yung mga sinasabi ni GM Garma na nagkakaroon tayo ng cross jurisdiction. If you remember it right, in the last hearing, she mentioned about yung cross jurisdiction pagdating sa war on drugs. At precisely in this purpose, si Albotra from Region 7 dinala sa Calamba. And then after, namatay si Tony Halili, and then wala na rin siya doon. And si Garduque, you were assigned sa Los Baños only for 4 months. December, January, February. Di ba? March, nawala ka na doon correct?
Yes.
Bakit
Your Honor,
3
sir.
buwan ka lang nandun?
May order na po ako for schooling, Your Honor, sir.
Kasi normal yan, talaga 2 years Ikaw, 3 buwan ka lang na na-assign sa Los Baños. Why?
Nag-schooling na po ako, sir, Your Honor.
Schooling sa...
Yung mandatory schooling namin, Your Honor, sir.
Anyway, at isa pang reason that we wanted to be clarified was yung CIDG sa regional. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, si Colonel Patay pala ang CIDG chief. Ikaw, Colonel Patay, ang chief noon, no? Ng CIDG. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Bakit si Andula ang napili mo para umaresto kay Konsehal Norbin Tamisin? At hindi yung hepe ng lalawigan na Laguna. Kasi Kabuyaw, kalapit lang ng halos ng Los Baños, isang bayan lang ang pagitan. Why?
Mr. Chair, as I can recall what Colonel Andulan have said, the warrant of arrest was released sometime on October 2022. Tama? 22. I was already relieved on that time, Mr. Chair.
Ano, what?
I was already relieved as regional chief at the time.
Na-relieve ka na?
Yes, if that warrant was issued sometime on October 2022, I was not anymore the regional chief.
So, meaning, Colonel Patay, hindi ka nag-order kay Andula na arestuhin yung si...
If that warrant, Mr. Chair, as I've said, was uploaded or uploaded or discovered by them through e-warrant on October 2022, I guess I was already relieved because I can remember I was relieved there on the first or second quarter of that year.
Okay. Andula, hindi ka ba tinawagan ni Captain Albotra para ikaw ang mag-serve ng warrant kay Norbin Tamisin?
Negative, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Sir, clarify lang, sir. During na-assign po ako ng Batangas, si Colonel Patay po ang naging RC ko. But during the implementation of the search arrest warrant of Mr. Norbin Manisin, iba po yung RC ko noon that time, sir. Si Colonel Ramon Paranada that time po ang nag-RC ko, sir.
So in other words, kayo yung mga nag-operate para mahuli si Norbin Tamisin.
Actually, sir, it was the informant, sir, nung nagpunta po siya sa from Los Baños to Batangas.